Did you know Iceland is the safest country? It often tops safety rankings. Let's explore why this island nation stands out. First, Iceland has a very low crime rate. Most neighborhoods are peaceful and crime-free. Residents often feel safe walking at night. Next, the country boasts a strong community bond. People know their neighbors well. This sense of community fosters trust and safety. Also, Iceland has a robust healthcare system. Everyone has access to quality medical care. Healthy citizens contribute to a safer society. Another reason is Iceland's geographic isolation. Its remote location minimizes threats. Not many outsiders affect daily life here. Finally, the first responders in Iceland are highly trained. They're equipped to handle emergencies efficiently. This quick response time adds to the nation's safety. So, to summarize, Iceland's low crime rate, community trust, healthcare, isolation, and quick response contribute to its safety. Ready to explore Iceland? Discover its beauty and security today.